So as you can already see guys, today's video is definitely going to be an interesting video because I want to show you some interesting scenario which could be playing out right now. So if you are holding Bitcoin, if you are asking yourself this question, should I hold or should I sell? Should I jump into any trade? Then your question will be answered in this video. So do watch it till the end. And also before jumping into the content, if you haven't destroyed that like button, then please do it right now. And also for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. So now starting this year in a monthly time frame, what I want to talk about is this 2B reversal pattern, because the 2B reversal pattern is playing out 1-1, which is also indicating that the bottom might still not be in. Even after this retracement up to 70%, the bottom might still not be in. Why am I saying you this? Because if you follow this 2B reversal pattern, guys, this 2B reversal pattern in an uptrend is usually considered as a reversal pattern. And since the price of Bitcoin was forming this exact scenario, you can see very similar to the example here on the right hand side. We penetrated towards the previous high, but unfortunately we were not able to find any proper support above this line. What happened after that? The price started showing this weakness. Many were also saying, hey Anup, can we actually call this a M pattern or even a double top pattern? Yes, doesn't matter, M pattern, double top pattern, 2B reversal pattern, it is considered as a trend reversal pattern. And in an uptrend, whenever we see those kind of pattern appearing, that is a sign of a trend reversal here to the downward direction. If we are going to see this as a M pattern, and if you measure the price target here to the downside according to this M pattern or double top pattern, your price target has already been reached. But according to this 2B reversal pattern, we could head even lower. Why? Because if we look at this example here, the next confluence area in a monthly time frame is around 14 to 15,000 price range. So for me personally, between 14 to 20,000, this is a great buying opportunity. So if you are thinking about buying Bitcoin right now, you can start dollar cost averaging, because I personally think this is a great opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin. Because if you focus on the short-term movement, even a yearly movement for Bitcoin, you can see we have seen many impulsive movement, corrective movement playing out. But what most of the people miss out, if you look at this for the longer term, I mean years, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, the price is clearly showing this move in here to the upper duration. So if you are a diamond hand like me, if you are just buying and holding your coins, do not worry guys. In a long term, the trend is clearly in an uptrend. This retracement, this reversal, what we're witnessing is just a noise in a smaller time frame. So if you look at this in a bigger time frame, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, this price, 20,000, 15,000, 17,000, doesn't matter. This price areas are going to be a great buying opportunity. So that's why guys, that's why if you are thinking about accumulating Bitcoin, then this range between 20 to 14, 15,000, this is going to be a great opportunity. Because I have been very clear, the reason why we are still expecting the price of Bitcoin to show further weakness in an upcoming days, weeks, even months, because our capitulation phase has just begun. Because I showed you with this example here, in a capitulation phase, most of the time, what does the price does? The price shows months, even years of consolidation before breaking here to the upper duration. In our case, this here was almost a year of capitulation before finally breaking here to the upper duration. This was also like 5-6 months of consolidation before breaking it to the upper duration. And in our case, you can see very clearly the capitulation phase has just begun, guys. So that's why if you are thinking about placing any trades at this current stage, then please use proper risk management and do not over leverage yourself. If you are dollar cost averaging, then this might be a very good starting point to accumulate some Bitcoin. And now, not just only this, if you have been following me for a while, you know this bear flag is still playing out. According to this bear flag, the first target, the target around this 19 to 20,000 has already been reached, because this 20,000 was also very crucial area for us, as you can see. But the actual price target from this bear flag is somewhere around 15 to 16,000 area. Because if you take this from the top till the bottom line, right, and simply add it here, you can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin is clearly indicating the bottom might not be in yet. So that's why, according to this 2B reversal pattern, we might be finding support around this 20,000 range, consolidation, maybe weeks or even months of consolidation around that range before finally breaking it to the downward direction, forming an actual accumulation phase or ending this capitulation phase, and then slowly starting this new markup phase. Because according to this bear flag, you can see the lower price target is still open. According to this 2B reversal pattern, if this trend is going to continue, then the next confluence area is around 14 to 15,000. And now from this bear flag, you can see the lower price target is also around 15,000 area. But that doesn't mean the price of Bitcoin has to go this low. We could find an actual accumulation around this 20,000. But if you look at the overall market, I think the 20,000 might not be the bottom line for now. So that's why, guys, that's why we are going to focus on this 15,000 as our potential downward target, and also the target from where we could be starting this new impulsive movement. Not just only this, if you also look at this example which we talked in my yesterday's video, for now, for the immediate short term, if you follow this descending channel, you can see, just like with the previous example, right, if I hide this Williams alligator indicator, you can see the price was clearly forming a very similar scenario, just like here from the past price action. Once we broke the upper line area from this descending channel, we showed this consolidation and even a very nice relief rally type of scenario. So in our case, I warned you that if this is going to be another similar scenario, just like here from the past price action, first we need to find a proper support at the lower line area, because this lower line has always acted as a strong line of support, just like here from past price action. Each and every retracement on the lower line area from this channel, we have found support and also some relief rally type of scenario. So if this is going to be an actual movement here in this manner, then we have to overcome this obstacle around 25,000, and then we could be witnessing this actual relief rally type of scenario. Otherwise, this could be another bigger trap place for us. Why? Because if you look at this example here, if the price of Bitcoin is going to fail to continue this rally here in this manner, then we could be forming another bear flag type of scenario around this area. Let me show you here. Now, before I switch into other chart, I just want to make you aware, Bybit is organizing this event, WSOT, Race to the Next Level, with a prize pool up to 8 million USDT. I am taking part. If you want to be part of my community and trade along with me, then do join this squad. Because if you join as a squad member, then they will ask you to write the name. Which squad leader are you going to choose? So if you want to choose me as a squad leader, then our group name is Piranha. Piranha, because you know, Piranha never hunts alone. So that's why I chose this name. So if you want to be part of the Piranha community, then do join it here. It's a very, very simple process. The link is provided in the description down below. Now, let me show you this one scenario one more time. Those who have watched my video from yesterday, you guys are aware about this bear flag, because each and every time the price in a downtrend like this has formed this bear flag, what has happened in most of the cases? In most of the cases, once we have broken the support, right, support from this bear flag, we have started this new downward price movement. And again, during this downward price movement, you can see the price has formed this bear flag pretty often. Each and every time we lost the support from this ascending channel, we have started this new rally here to the downward direction. And that's why I showed you yesterday the price of Bitcoin could be forming another bear flag type of formation here in the immediate short term. And once we break the support, we could be continuing this rally here to the downward direction, because we can see very clearly this scenario has unfolded again and again. Each and every time the price of Bitcoin has lost the support from this bear flag or this ascending channel, we have started this downward rally. So that's why if we are going to see more of a consolidation or range bound type of scenario around this area, we have to be extremely careful, because we could be parallelly forming this bear flag type of formation. And once this support gets broken, we are aware we could be heading towards this 15 to 16,000 range one more time before finally showing this actual accumulation phase, months of consolidation before finally breaking here to the upper direction. So that's why guys, that's why if we break the support around this 20,000, then we could be heading towards the next possible target from this bigger bear flag, and also this confluence target from 2B reversal pattern. So these are some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then do hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.